the Kid of Games here. Welcome back to another Brawl Stars video. Today we're in the new update with the snow and the new music. Unfortunately, not the new brawlers yet, but today I'm going to be showing you how to use Silver Bullet. I know Silver Bullet is an old gadget, but some people still don't know how to use it, so that's why I'm going to teach you how to use it. Anyways guys, make sure to like and subscribe for some more quality content such as this. Now, Silver Bullet. What does the Silver Bullet do? It basically makes Colts, that's it, bullets, like just a big bullet. So instead of these, you get that.
Prime time, baby.
So I'm gonna be winning this game with the Silver Bullet, and I'm gonna even do some commentating of the game, like almost dying right there, so that because I ended up demonstrating it on Nita. Alright, so we're gonna just grab all of these power cubes.
I'm too good.
And Silver Bullet still does the normal amount of damage, actually increases damage. Ah, dang, that beat. Well, that was way too bad. So that's what Silver Bullet is. So we're gonna play one more game because I lost that game terribly. So, yeah, we're gonna try to win this one as well. Fortunately, that B had to super me, and I didn't have and I wasn't able to activate my Silver Bullet gadget and shoot her, because I think I might have been a bit better there. Alright, let's do this again. People are gonna come here. Oh, the Frank. Alright. Oh, there's a bull there. Well, that was a big mistake for that bull, I suppose. I'm being really sweaty right now, so I'm not talking too much.
Watch and learn.
Alright, so the Colt and the bee are fighting. Oh dang, that Colt just was way too OP with an energy drink. Anyways guys, that's basically the video done. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you